Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will see how to install MySQL in our laptop, that is in Windows 10. Okay, so firstly, let's check whether MySQL is installed in our laptop or not. So for that, I will open the command prompt, and here in the search option, I'll write cmd. So just click on the command prompt and enter, and I'll write the command MySQL version. And here we can see MySQL is not recognized as an internal or external command. That means MySQL is not installed in our laptop. So let's install it, and I'll cancel it as of now. So I'll open the browser. So here I'm using Chrome browser. Definitely you can use your favorite browser. So I'll search here MySQL and hit enter, and you'll be able to see the very first thing, that is MySQL, www.mysql.com. Just click on it, and here you have to click on the downloads button. Click on downloads link, then here you have to click on MySQL community downloads, and from these options you have to click on MySQL installer for Windows. So I'll click on it, and here we will get two link. Okay, 32-bit. Okay, so here it is showing 32-bit, but definitely it will work for the 64-bit also. We have got two option, one 2.1 MB, and the second one is 296.1 MB. Okay, so I'll go for the second one. Okay, this is MySQL installer community 8.0, this MSI file. Okay, just click on the download button here, and okay, no thanks. Just click on no thanks, just start my download, and here we can see it started to download. So here I'm stopping the video as of now. After the download, I'll start it again. Okay, so our MySQL installer community MSI file is downloaded. So I'll just go to the downloads folder, MySQL installer. I'll double click on it to install it. Now let it install. Okay, so we have got the option, pop-up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So simply click on yes button. Again, I got one pop-up. Do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? Click on yes. So we will be able to see this wizard. Okay, MySQL installer, adding community. So here click on custom. So here we will install MySQL Workbench and the MySQL server. Okay, definitely we can use command line, okay, for the MySQL querying, but we can use MySQL Workbench also for accessing the data. Okay, so I'll click on next, and here we will get the option MySQL servers. I'll click on it, open it, and here I'll click on MySQL server, the first option. Click on this button, and in the applications click on the MySQL Workbench. These are the two most important things. Okay, without Workbench also we can access the data by using the command line, but we are installing MySQL Workbench also. Now click on next, execute button. Okay, so the status is complete. Now click on next, then again next, next. Okay, now we have to set the password for our MySQL server. So I'll keep the password as simple, rwt root, and I would suggest to keep the password as simple, because I have noticed most of the students keep the password as difficult, and later on they forget the password, and then after that they face issue while running the applications. Okay, so now I'll click on next button, next, then click on execute button. Now click on finish button, then next, and click on finish button. So after installation, here our MySQL Workbench will open, and here we can see one of the instance. Okay, so this is the local instance, and we can open it. We have to enter the password. So password is root. Click on save password in vault. Okay, and the MySQL server is open. Okay, here we have to click on the schemas, and we can definitely write the MySQL query here, and also we can use the GUI. Okay, so since it's Workbench, let's use the GUI. So from here we can create the schema or database. So I'll write here YouTube demo DB. Okay, this database I'm creating. Click on apply, and click on apply, finish, and here we can see the database YouTube demo DB, and inside that we can create the tables here. Okay, so now after that I'll open the program files here. Then inside that we can see the MySQL folder here now, and we have installed MySQL server and the MySQL Workbench. So both the things are visible here also. And now let's open the MySQL server using the command line also. So I'll open the command prompt in this path. So I'll click on it and write here command prompt. Okay, and hit enter, and we can see we have opened the prompt inside this folder, program files, MySQL server, and inside the bin folder. And here I can write MySQL, username is root, and -p. We have kept the password as root. Okay, so make sure you enter the correct password. So let's suppose I enter the wrong password and hit enter, then you'll be able to see this error, that is access denied for the user root using the password yes. And if I don't enter any password, then you'll be able to see using password no. Okay, and now let's try to enter the correct password. So I'll enter the root correct password it is, and here we can see our MySQL form got open here. So let's suppose I want to see all the databases present in the MySQL server. So I'll run the command show databases, and here we can see YouTube demo DB. Okay, which we have created from the Workbench. So in this way we can use MySQL Workbench also, and we can use the command line also for accessing the data, for creating the database tables, accessing the data from the DB. Okay, using the query also we can do using the command line, and we can also do the same thing from the MySQL Workbench using the GUI. Okay, so let me create a table here, demo table. Then I'll click here, and here I'll name the column name as ID int primary key, then column name as name, and click on apply here, and click on apply button here. And now if I click on the table, we can see the demo tables got created, and we can view the data here. Okay, ID and the name, and also I have to use, if I write here show tables, this command, if I want to see the tables, then it will tell us to no database selected. So when you're using command line, if you want to perform any operation in the database, you have to select the database. Okay, because we have multiple databases here. So I'll select this database, use YouTube demo DB, and here I will write show tables, and we can see the demo table got created. And if I want to see the data here, select star from. So I hope you guys liked the video and it helped you to install MySQL in your laptop successfully. If you liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll meet soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.